playing?
Box.
Box. Yeah. Is that a tricycle?
No. It's
Can you put the pony in the castle?
no.
There's two. There's a firehouse with a truck on it. Logan, why is your pickup truck on top of the firehouse?
I'll go up here.
You put it up there? Uh-oh. What are you doing over there? You putting Farmer Jet in the truck?
Go with it. I'll go right.
You go for a ride? Logan, where are we going now? Mommy and you and Daddy and Maddie. Where are we going?
Swimming pool.
To the swimming pool? Yeah.
Fast bubbles.
Fast bubbles? Fire truck. Can you tell Mommy and Maddie to hurry up so we can go to the swimming pool? Can you yell up to Mommy and Maddie and tell them to hurry up?
No.
How come?
This one.
Yeah, that's your swimsuit. We're going to take it with us. Can you tell Mommy and Maddie to hurry up? Can you tell Mommy and Maddie to hurry up? So hurry up, Mommy.
Mommy.
Tell her where do we want to go?
Swimming pool.
We want to go to the swimming pool. Hurry up, Mommy. We want to go swimming pool. We want to go to the swimming pool. Yes.
No.
Clyde, do you get left out of all of this? Clyde. Milo's coming. Yeah, Milo's gonna come visit. Yeah. Oh, no, not yet, buddy. In a couple weeks. In a couple weeks for Logan's birthday. Nana and Milo are gonna come visit. That's a mighty pretty scarf you have on, Clyde. Say, hurry up, Mommy. Okay, we're going to the pool.